In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Pro features for free in 2025. This is an excellent opportunity for those of you wanting to explore advanced charting tools without the immediate cost. So without further ado, let's dive into the process. First, head over to the TradingView website. It's your primary destination, acting as both our starting point and the platform where you'll experience these professional features. If you're new to TradingView or haven't used their tools before, this site is a highly popular choice among traders globally due to its comprehensive charting capabilities and a supportive community. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, search for the option that says 30-day free trial. This opportunity allows you to try out all the premium perks TradingView offers for a full month without any financial commitment. Scrolling through the homepage or exploring the site's upper navigational menu will help you locate this offer, typically highlighted to capture your attention. After finding the free trial option, proceed by clicking on Try Free for 30 days. This step is crucial as it directs you to the sign-up page dedicated to the trial. At this point, you're starting your journey towards unlocking all those advanced features that TradingView Pro holds, from multiple chart layouts to advanced backtesting and further customizable options. It's a valuable trial period for both seasoned traders and those who are just beginning to delve into trading analytics. As you click through the trial options, you'll come to a section prompting you to complete your personal details. This is standard procedure for setting up an account. You'll provide your basic information like an email address, creating a unique password, and additional details that help personalize your experience on the platform. If privacy is a concern, rest assured that this is a common step securely managed by TradingView to set up your profile accurately. After entering all the necessary information, look for the Next button, which you'll click to proceed. It's the final click needed to confirm your details and create your account, enabling access to that alluring free trial. From here, you're all set to start exploring the pro features of TradingView. Dive into the charts, tweak those visual indicators, experiment with different market analytics, and utilize the extensive resources available during these 30 days. This trial is a gateway to delve deeper into the world of trading analytics without upfront expenses. Remember, as your trial approaches its expiry, evaluate its utility for your trading style and goals. It's free, comprehensive, and designed to support your trading strategies at a professional level, an invaluable experience for both novice and veteran traders alike. Enjoy your time exploring TradingView Pro features and utilize these tools to elevate your trading skills.